first date niyo po? Naalala niyo po?
Date? Naku, hindi kami nag-date kasi bawal eh. I met him bearing intelligence and he's very prolific, sweet, kind, syempre guwapo. In short, he's a good person. Well, it's really funny how we met. Recording schedule ko noon sa isang studio and they're supposed to record with me. Kasi they have this band, Tilt Down Man. And to cut it short, I met him through my cousin who happens to be the drummer. From that moment, yata, according to him, na in love daw siya, ganon. He started giving me flowers and chocolates pag may shooting kami or ano. And it pursued, ganon talaga eh. Well, hanggang ngayon naman ganon pa rin siya.
First date, naalala niyo po?
Date? Naku, hindi kami nag-date kasi bawal eh. Ang mami ko kasi talagang man-to-man guarding. Kasama ko ang mami ko 24 hours a day. Yung pag-uusap namin, kailangan sabihin ko dun sa isang sister ko na bigyan kami ng time. Eh, parang kakonsyaba ko noon. That's what happened. Pero date never. After the wedding, what I discovered that he is a real romantic, very loving. Until now, hindi nawawala yung sweetness niya na thoughtfulness. Pina-feel pa rin pa niya sa akin hanggang ngayon na nililigawan pa rin niya ako. Oh. No, he loves sending me flowers, giving me notes sa banyo, sa dressing room, kung saan-saan. He has maintained his sense of humor nandun sa kanya. But, of course, ang pinakamaganda, he's a very good father. I thank God for giving me a husband as good as him. Sa pagka-daddy naman, maasikaso rin siya sa mga anak namin. He's a very good provider, most especially to our children. As a lolo, he plays with my grandchildren. I think I will say I am so blessed to have married him. Kaya siguro hindi rin inalaw ni Lord na ma-inlove ako sa iba kasi siya pala ang magiging asawa ko. Siguro, kuminsan, nakikita siguro ng iba, minsan nasa labas kami, sa pagka-demonstrative niya, he will kiss me, minsan sa shoulder, gano'n. Minsan na sabihin ko, naku, nakakaya, gano'n. But that's him, gano'n siya talaga. Well, of course, I enjoy it, siyempre. I mean, he's showing me na up to now, at our age, gano'n pa rin siya ka-sweet. The first thing he does, when he wakes up in the morning, he will hug me. After that, magdadasal na yan. Pagkatapos, magbe-breakfast na kami, we'll have coffee, gano'n. Pag nandun yung mga apo namin, kasama namin yon na nagbe-breakfast. After that, let's say from work, he comes home, he has all the time for my children and for our grandchildren. He finds time to spend with them. Minsan, yung pinakamaliit naming apo, si Domico, sometimes he rides with him in the cart just to go around the village. Ganun si Tito Sen. Ano ang food na gusto niya? Naku, marami-rami yata. Gusto niya ng sinigang na kimchi ng beef, the tenderloin tips with the mushrooms, tapos yung the usual kare-kare, crabs. My version, very popular with the TVJ na tofu with the kinchay, parang gano'n. Basta ang tawag namin, TVJ tofu. My message for you, sweetheart, I would like to say thank you for everything that you have showed me, that you have given, most of all, the love that we share, the love that you give me up to now, the respect, the sincerity. I will say, I thank God for giving me a person such as you and being the father of my children. I love you very much.